Hi guys, welcome to another 2Pats Tech video. Today we're going to be looking at the Samsung NX Mini. So in this digital camera throwback, I'm going to tell you why I thought this camera was cool and why I bought it, and show you some pictures that I took with it. So this camera was announced in March of 2014, and I actually got it on February of 2015. So by the time I got it, I think Samsung had been hitting some troubles with their digital camera business, and actually by November of 2015 they had exited the UK market and the European market, and I think they stopped making new cameras altogether, and by end of 2017 it was official that they stopped making digital cameras altogether. But anyway, what made this camera cool was that it had a 1-inch sensor, which was made popular by the RX100 series and the Nikon 1 series. But like those cameras, it also had interchangeable lenses. So this camera came with this kit prime lens, a 9mm f3.5. So with the crop factor it worked out to be 24mm, and even when it turns on it only extends out by a little bit, and you're ready to go. One of the other notable features is that it had a selfie screen, so you could do your selfies. The only quirky things are basically it's got a touchscreen that you do all your changes of manual settings for, and there's no way to actually put a lens cap on this prime lens. So the whole time that I'm carrying this camera, this front element is exposed, which is kind of weird, but I'm guessing the front element has this extra glass layer, which is probably Gorilla Glass. I don't know. Anyway, I think the best way to demonstrate why I think this camera is cool is to show you some sample images. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed those sample images that I've shown you, and yeah, it's a real shame that Samsung got out of the digital camera market when they did. But yeah, with the capabilities of this camera, I really wish that they had at least made another version of this camera before they decided to call it quits. But you know, as I demonstrated, it's not perfect, but it's really cool for the amount of camera volume wise that you get. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you have one of these NX Minis? I think I still see them on eBay being sold for crazy amounts of money. They do come in many funky colors, and I think it was marketed towards women because it is a skinny camera and it's got the selfie, which apparently only women want. But yeah, let me know. And until next time, subscribe, share if you want, and we'll see you later. Bye. Okay, you can go now. Come on.